As everyone recognizes, cell and gene therapy products are very expensive and practically non-affordable to the vast majority of people in the world who have these diseases.
So today, if you are looking at commercially available CAR T cells, I think the price is way too high. And this has induced a huge limitation in access.
So we really believe that point-of-care manufacture is one strategy that can really reduce the cost of these products and make it accessible to patients who really deserve it. We had a phase 1 NK cell trial using the CliniMACS Prodigy, which we've just recently published our data, essentially focusing on safety. And the second one is the CAR T cell study using the CD19 vector from Miltenyi Biotec on the CliniMACS Prodigy. We've just completed the phase 1 study.
So I've been working with the Prodigy since I believe 2015 or 16, where we initially did a virus-specific T cells. And since the very beginning, it was very clear that not only enables standardization, but also the fact that it is practically a clean room on itself. There's huge regulatory advantage with that.
For people who may or may not realize it, that you have a fully automated closed GMP compliance system that you can literally do in a class 100,000 facility, that does not take so much cost to maintain. Otherwise, we would have been completely dependent on industry and the costs would have continued to skyrocket. So this actually democratizes the availability of this therapy to a vast majority of people. And I foresee in the future most centers having decentralized manufacturing point-of-care facilities.